All right. Here is a lesson. I am moving some of your work to Virtual Job Shadow, which might be an easier platform than Schoology. People seem to still be having trouble with Schoology. So to get to Virtual Job Shadow, even if you don't have the link, type in Virtual Job Shadow and click it open. It's the first thing that pops up. Now you want to go over here to log in. And you want to make sure you're in South Brooklyn Community High School. So if that doesn't pop up, you might need to search for South Brooklyn, right? You want to put in your school email address. I'm using a student's email address to show you, okay? And then you're going to type in the password is Panther, Panther, lowercase singular, and you submit. All right. If it doesn't go through like that, try using that go through your Google account first, right? And then try it again and see if that works, because that's been happening for me. So just like that, and again, Panther, submit. All right, I'm in. Now, there's two places to look for my assignments, right? I can either look over here where it says my assignments, number 4. Oh, I've got 4 assignments. Oh, that's right. All the advisories are using this, right? So if you haven't logged into it yet, you may see there's some lessons for your advisory as well as the lessons that I'm going to assign, because I've put you in an English class in addition. But this is the other place you can go, right? Completed, to do. So here's all the assignments you have to do. You can see, right? This is a student that's in Diana's advisory. They have 3 Diana assignments to complete. They started one of mine and they've got this one. So all you have to do is press start. It's important, probably start at chapter 1 if you haven't read any of the book. I've been working hard to revise everything, so my apologies if it didn't work before. And then you'll see this is what you're going to do to get through the lesson. You have to do everything in order. The front page will usually just be a short little silly TikTok video. This one just, you know, a warm fuzzy hug. Everybody needs one of those. And hopefully while you learn these skills I'm going to give you, that will make reading feel like a warm snuggle for you. So when you're in Virtual Job Shadow, you click Save and Next. Here's the video lesson, right? This is my message to you. This is the video lesson. Save and Next after you watch that. And then you'll be able to answer these questions on a quick quiz, right? Save and Next. And you'll keep going until the assignment is all the way complete, at which point you'll press Submit. You want to let me know that's in there if you're doing this at an off time. But otherwise, it should be really easy for you to complete your assignments here. Please give me feedback. I want to know if this is an easier way to do our assignments on Virtual Job Shadow than on Schoology. Thanks.